Carmarthenshire Integrated Children's Centres are an early intervention prevention service aimed at improving outcomes for children, young people and families.
So we do baby massage for 6 weeks, so it's really helpful with colic, constipation, relaxation, helps with sleeping, teething, all those types of problems. It's really good for their interaction. They get to get out of the house. A lot of parents don't tend to get out of the house very often, go to different groups. So we get referrals in for the mums and the dads to come along. They can meet new mums, new dads, and they get to feel a little bit normal, I suppose. They get to know that everything's okay with their baby, and it's a chance for them to interact and have a bit of bonding time with their baby then.
It's lovely for the children. You get to meet new people, and the babies get to bond with mum, and she's my third, so it's lovely for me to bond with just her, and hopefully I'm hoping she'll sleep better after the sessions.
I had 3 daughters in full-time school, and obviously I felt a bit lost, suffering from a little bit of depression and alone. I inquired about a course. At the time they didn't have any spaces, but then the manager then, Estelle Etheridge Lawrence, could see that I was down. I wasn't like I should be for someone who's got so much time in their hands, and she made a space for me to go on the course. It was the start of everything really. I went on to do 5 other courses in 18 months, all accredited. I've been volunteering at the centre for over 12 months, so through doing my courses I'm now actually employed by Carmarthenshire County Council.
It's like a working partnership with the Children's Centre. We facilitate PSC sessions for children who access the centre. We have created bespoke packages of support. All our sessions are accredited, so children get qualification at the end of it. It's all done through fun and activities, but with key messages to support.
I brought my children into the Felin-foel family centre. Massive blowout and everything. It was Estelle, the manager, who came up to me and asked if everything was okay, and it was like just another help. It was just like a weight lifted off your shoulder, where that someone believes you. And I had many sleepless nights crying that no one believed you and that, and it's always handy to have people like Team Tough and Snap Cymru and everybody, family support workers, backing you. So if it wasn't for the organisations involved, I think I would still be struggling now.
Parent and toddler group is one of our busiest sessions, so it's where most of our mums, I would say, most of our parents come and engage with us first. So we do offer a baby group for babies up to the age of a year, and we also do an after-school family fun club, so that when the toddlers move on to school they can still come back and mix with their friends that they had in parent and toddler group. So we do that once a week as well, and we make sure that we feed them and give them lunch. We have a daddy and me playtime as well, so that the dads get a chance to come along and mix with other dads. So there's quite a lot going on here actually for the families to get involved in, and what we're trying to do is create a community, a network of support then, so that the parents can support each other and they form friendships that they can take outside the centre. They meet up with each other on the weekends. A quite important service, and everybody sort of takes away from it what they want